Don't you ever besmirch Billy.
Lightning doesn't strike.
Fuck!
That wanker can cover all of Manhattan in 30 minutes.
Hey, baby.
Jesus Christ. Yeah. Where have you been? It's been days.
Hey, I've been handling business. It's okay now. It's okay. When I was 3, it's like these guys started shooting in front of my building, and I outran the damn bullet. That's kind of how I figured out.
Can I stop you right there for a second?
Go! Go!
Nope.
Go!
No. Oh, no fucking way.
You need 3,000 calories an hour or you're gonna pass out.
I can't do this shit, man.
Tough shit. You heard the doc. Your heart is getting bigger, balls are getting smaller, your bone density's for shit. That compound V shit is killing you.
Don't even say it out loud. You don't know shit about it, you understand?
I don't wanna know. And you're done. Okay, no more fucking around.
Did you see my last time?
We train. Back to the basics.
Nobody gets back at my age. I'm gonna be a freak show like Ben Johnson racing against horses.
At least you'll still be breathing.
Right here, sport. You really did. Come on.
So, you don't mind if I do this?
No! What? Fuck! What the fuck is wrong with you?
I have a bigger dose. Tell me, what's better, the rush or knowing that as long as you take it, you'll be the fastest? You know, this shit must be pretty good. If it's worth running through a human being for.
Oh my God, man, that was an accident. Where the fuck is the V?
That accident had a name.
And what about Popclaw? She had a name too. Charlotte. The only good thing in my life is gone now. What is this, man? I kill your girlfriend and you kill mine?
I didn't kill your girlfriend.
You used her. You put her in danger, and then you threw her out like she was fucking garbage. How does this not all start with you, Hughie? The only difference between you and me is that I made a mistake. The shit that you did was on purpose. So who's worse? Ah! Ah! Can I help you?
I'm just keeping an eye out.
That's funny. It really looks like you're only keeping an eye on me. You know I'm A-Train, right?
Yeah. And I'm Homelander. Listen, I'm sorry about that. We're good.
Oh, wait, so now that you know I'm A-Train, now we're good?
Listen, man, I'm sorry. It was my mistake.
Yeah, you're damn right it's your mistake. I'm A-Train. I'm the fastest fucking man alive. I feel fucking great.
You're healed.
I'm healed.
How the fuck are you? You back on that compound V? You promised me that you would stay clean.
No, I am clean. A1, all natural A-Train, baby. Hey, wait, hey, where you going?
I'm not gonna sit here and watch you kill yourself.
You know what? I don't need this shit. You've always just been jealous of me, so go ahead, you slow-ass fucking loser.
Holy shit.
What?
Hey, here comes the A-Train!
All those needles jammed into her arm at the same time? I mean, one of them actually shattered the bone. Did you know that? Would someone really do that to themselves? I mean, doesn't look like an accident to me. I mean, Vought's happy to bury it, but...
Don't know
What did you do?
Okay? You can't run.
Yes, I can run. I just
Buddy, you think I don't know what's been going on? It's your heart. I doubt you're even cracking the top 20 anymore, and that makes a 7. Me look pretty ridiculous.
I heard they're retiring you? So unfair.
You have a problem?
Of course not. Why would you say that?
Appreciate you coming all this way, Stan.
Well,
Some shit, birds. I can cover the boroughs in like 3 hours. I went looking. That's all.
I'm surprised your heart can take it.
My heart is just fine. Take a step closer and I'll show you. Fuck that Nazi bitch.
you think I haven't seen you? Shoving back 2 dozen cupcakes in the break room? 9 servings on Miro's truffle risotto night?
Hey, man. You know, I need 30,000 calories a day.
Maybe when you actually ran, you did. But now you're just eating your feelings, making us look ridiculous.
What the fuck is he wearing?
How bad is it?
Doctors say it's like playing Russian roulette. If I ever run again, maybe nothing. Or maybe my heart. D, who asked you? Back there. Who the fuck asked you for your opinion? Homelander's a great man. But the way that you kiss his ass is fucking gross. Ashton Kutcher fucked a clownfish. You're a joke, and you're so dumb, you don't even know it.
Why, come on. Run at me, bro. I forgot your legs don't fucking work. Ow. Fucker.
Hey, Train. Just
Do it.
Get off of me!
You do not want to do that. Take it easy.
Fuck him. Fuck him.
Stop. I'm supposed to take shit from the deep. Fucking deep. Homelander's gonna back him over me? After everything that I've done for that man, I hit one little speed bump. Now, fucking garbage. Can I help you?
Supersonic trusted you, and you got him killed.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You fucking coward. Why are you so desperate to be with people who hate you?
You did not give a shit about all the collateral you caused then. Now all of a sudden you care? Because it happened to you? Go fuck yourself.
Yeah, that's right. I said that out loud.
Sorry? I'm fucking sorry, Hughie. Not this time.
Blue Hawk will live on because we gave you his heart. A super-abled heart. No more heart disease. You're gonna get to run again. Luckily, you heal fast, bro. We're gonna get you back.
Your saves were never real. You never actually saved anyone. Yet here you are, lying to your own flesh and blood.
Is it that bullshit white savior movie they got you in? Or that they put your brother in a wheelchair? Or guilt of beating 3 men to death over at Planet Vard?
But I changed my mind. We're good.
Ma'am?
You think I don't want to just peace out to Belize, sip a daiquiri, smash the local talent?
Hit a price line there, motherfucker.
Hey, this shit ain't over. Fucking hated your ass. Alexa, please fucking don't.
Turns out talking to people's hard. We shouldn't have let him go.
I can see it. Look how terrified you are of it. I'm all about that Sigma life. I ain't terrified of shit. You're so scared of Homelander, you don't even see what it's done to you. I'm not fucking scared. Yeah, I said the same thing. It's pathetic. You're pathetic.
You are fucking nothing.
Really? You're just an empty fucking suit?
Pathetic. Weak. Sniveling fucking loser.